Look at Kaspa and this possible breakout, all right? And we're going to take a look at what's going on with the rest of the market here. Got some big news to go over with you guys. Number one, I had to take down my video yesterday. I apologize sincerely. You have no idea how dumb I feel for posting that airdrop. Thank you for the comments. You guys were 100% correct. I took it down. I apologize. 99.9% of them are scams. It came across my news feed. I clicked on it. It didn't seem like too outrageous. So I apologize from the bottom of my heart. You know, I should have known better myself. I seen so many of them scams this last bull run. It was ridiculous. So only news and charts are going to go on this channel. No giveaways, no airdrops, no the news and charts. That's it. I am not getting drawn into that crap. I am so sorry. I can't say it enough. It'll never, ever, ever happen again. Okay, so I apologize to everybody out there. And all right, let's get moving on here. All right, we had this breakout yesterday. I talked about a possible retest on this price action. All right, you can see it popped up here. I left this line there. You can see it pulled back, retested. Now it's kind of going sideways here. Okay, we're gonna look at some RSIs here in a second, see if we have some momentum pushing up or not. All right, got some big news today. Some mining polls went live on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. All right, you had here Kaspa, Polygon's massive user base. This cross-chain poll promises plenty of profit potential. The Kaspa wrapped BNB poll takes advantage of BNB Smart Chain's speed and low cost. Yeah, definitely. I've used BNB. According to CoinCodex, Kaspa's price jumped 5%, and our algorithm predicts it'll hit 14 cents within a month. So, to establish more liquidity for Kaspa on different chains, Kaspa wrapped BNB and Kaspa wrapped Matic farming campaigns and polls have now been deployed on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. So, pretty cool. APRs will start soon. So pretty big news, really. I mean, if these guys are getting tied in with Binance and Polygon, what do you know? That's some big stuff for sure. That's two pretty huge players in this game, and now Kaspa is getting intertwined here. So that's great to see. The BNB Bonanza, smart chains, cheaper, faster environment. Yeah, I like BNB's fast to use also. So they're saying Kaspa to 14 cents within a month here. Let's move over here to the addresses. Look at this wallet count. 431,000. Incredible. It's like doubled in the last few months, guys. You people that have been here, you remember, but last 24 hours we added another whale, plus one whale. Well, within the last 1 hour, plus one whale. Look at that. So there we go. 10 million to 100 million. Congratulations. That's a very smart investment there. You don't have whales buying if they don't think they're going to make money. All right, 10 million to 100 million. You know, 10 million Kaspa would. How much would that end up costing you? You know, there's 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, a million, 10 million times 0.0127. That's $127,000. That's a very good investment. Yeah, you think so? 10 million or 100 million Kaspa. If this thing hits $2 or $3, even $1, you're looking at a $10 million return. You know, so is that right? 127? That can't be. That is it? Yeah, I guess it could be 1 million. All right, 0.000. That's 10 million. 127,000. All right, please let me know if that's wrong. Doesn't seem right to me. I don't know. But let's go over here. If you guys missed that video I put out yesterday, please, man, go watch it. The next 5 coins to 100x. You know, and I don't care about my views with that. just please do yourself a favor, man. There is some real gems in there, guys. I do my homework with this stuff. I'm trying to set myself up so I don't, literally when this next bull runs over, I'm done working. I hope so. I hope that's the case. I'm trying to find them ones out there, like a Gala. What like Gala did for me last time. $37 got me 250,000 Gala games. So I'm looking for stuff like that. I want 1,000Xs. I got Polygon for 4 cents last bull run. I got Cardano for 4 cents. I actually got Polygon for 2 cents. I'm sorry, and so I know how to look for good tokens out there. Go watch it. Just take it's a quick. I think it's a quick video. Go check it out if you want to. Fast forward through it and see the ones that I pick out, and go look at them, man. There are some real gems in there, guys. I'm just telling you that because if you watch this channel. I want to see you guys succeed. All right, that really, believe it or not, yeah, that is a huge goal of mine. I want people that follow this channel to celebrate together at the end of this bull run, and all of us just make a pile of money. That's what I want to see. All right, you got some new members today. Joliet Leisman. Detroit Custom Painter, super supporter. Thanks a lot, man. Paul Busky, Azirius, level 4, thank you. Daniel, FLL, 34DR, level 4. Hook, another super supporter. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. Yanni, a level 3, Rated Raw, level 3, Love and Z, Miss Kendall. Derek, Jim P, another super supporter. Thanks a lot, Jim. Jumpman Crypto, Loop Pursuit, Frankie Parsons, Farm de la Plague. My French accent, I tried there. Crypto Bill, Enoch, Rowdy Man, super supporter. Thanks, Rowdy Man. Ruben, Area, Wes, Will, Spinzy, Mike, Zozo. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that. Kaspa God, love that name, man. Yeah, I appreciate chatting with you too, buddy. Des100, Blue Safari, Christian, Kevin, Salmonex, Thomas, FMK, Eyes Wide Open, Prepping for Beginners, man. You've been nailing it, buddy. Good job. Karat, Willhammer, Host Thinking, Jay, Sophia, Benji Barker, John, Marty. How's it going, Marty? William, Elvie, Noted Trader, Franny, Ryan, Lib, and these are going to my longest members. Baja, Trapper, how's it going, Trapper? Jason, how you doing, buddy? And Andy, how's it going, Andy? The number one time on the channel here. I appreciate it very much, guys. There's some guys that have been here since the beginning, since I first got able to get members. And I love it. We're up to 56, I think now, something like that. And if you're interested, these level 3 trading memberships are $14.99, guys. Anything level 3 and up, you get the trading lessons with for $14.99. So 7 hours of videos. If you're interested, go check it out. It's worth your time. It's worth $15, believe me. All right. Let's take a look at this thing real quick here. Well, real fast, because we need to know what's going on with the rest of the market here. Okay, Bitcoin is up $126. Couldn't break that resistance that I talked about. I talked about the resistance on this thing right up here. To go higher, this thing has to break 43.8. Right, needs to take these areas out. Is that my arrow? Yeah, this area right here. Okay, 43.8. It needs to take that out to continue higher. If we go down the Dow Jones, boy, look at this thing. Just keeps trucking up, man. New all-time high. Look at it. There it goes. All right, possible target for that. Right up here, 37,798. We'll see how that works out, but that's awesome to see. That's great to see. The Dixie fallen. Look at this, down to almost 1% today. All right, that's going to help crypto out. We'll see what happens here. We got that monthly RSI. Just flipped bearish. We got the weekly just on the bottom here. So we go down through here. The other big one I wanted to see, and see how these Fibonacci's work, guys. Look at Miria. I put this in my video yesterday for the next 5 to 100x. Look how that thing nailed this Fibonacci extension. And you think these things don't work? Man, it hit it perfect. If you were looking for a top, there it is. All right, that's a trend-based extension. That's 5 waves up. You know, I teach all that stuff in trading classes. Plus, you guys see it on this channel all the time. 2, 3, 4. There's your 5th wave. Look at that. Nailed it. I love the trend-based fib extension. Gives you perfect targets. Not every single time, but it's pretty accurate. The S&P 500, that's the next one we're waiting to see if it can break a new all-time high. Right there it is up there, getting extremely close. Okay, so, and we have the total total 1 and total 2. The total market cap is up 12 billion, and the total 2 is up 8.9. All right, that's another big thing we got to keep an eye on here. This thing, look at this. This is the without Bitcoin and ETH. If it breaks this level right here, let me get this off here a second. There's a lot of air in here where these altcoins, this is the altcoin market. They could really start ripping. All right, if it breaks this resistance here, it's gonna fly up to 841. That's the next big area right there. You know, and then up into these higher targets, way up into here. But there's a lot of air there. 766 to 844, almost 100 billion. It can fly up very fast. And then from 844, you know, to there's about another 100 billion. It can fly up very fast. So these altcoins, I believe in altcoin seasons coming, guys. You know, you look at the crypto bubbles. This bulk, I got to start looking into that thing. Don't know much about it, but maybe I should look into it. It has just been killing it. This thing is ranked number 66. Beam, you guys that follow the channel, if you've gotten into Beam, you have definitely made money. For the week, it's up 50%. All right, so I've been covering it for a couple weeks now. For the month, it's up 2x. Overall, it's up a 4x. That tells you how new you are into the project if you invested in it, which that's what you always want to be. You want to get in near the beginning. That's where the big gains are at, for sure. That's why, you know, a lot of these videos, especially, you know, the one that I told you about, I put out yesterday, they're time sensitive, man. You want to be in as quick as you can. That's where the big, you know, 100x's come in, 1000x's. All right, on the daily for Kaspa, we have that just turning up on the daily. All right, that weekly. Look at this trying to roll. It's trying. You can see it. Look at the bend starting. All right, so this price is trying to push up. The 12-hour is on its way up. Here's where we're getting in a little trouble. The 8-hour is at the top here. It's at a 90 and an 89. The 4-hour is actually flipped bearish. All right, so a little bit of concern with that here. Now let's dig in here a little bit deeper. Let's get this off here. Let's go on a 12-hour. All right, you can see a very good support level right down here at that 12.3. all right, now if this is forming a wave 1 and a wave 2, you know, just a simple, you know, you got your wave 1 up, your wave 2 pullback, then you'd start your wave 3. If this is what's going on here, this thing could, you know, could pull down to back to this area, back to 12.3, you know. And the main reason I'm saying that is this 8 and 4 are getting a little high. All right, I don't like that as high as they are. Now the 12 also, you know, it's 3/4 of the way up. It's only at a 49 down here, okay, and you have that daily just getting ready to go. All right, so will that pull back down to 12.3, reset them RSIs and get them ready for a wave 3 push? That could be what's going on here. All right, so I would watch for a possible pullback to that 12.3. Worst case scenario, down to about 12 cents on the dot. Okay, that would be your wave 2 pullback, and then a big push up from here. But this is absolutely a breakout. It's a breakout of resistance. All right, anytime you break resistance, you run. Okay, right back here, perfect example. You had resistance down through here. I'm not going to line it up perfect. But then, okay, you pulled out, you pull back for your wave 2, then you take off, okay? Just like down here. We break out, we're going to pull back a little bit, and then we're going to take off. All right, you can see that's exactly what happened with this breakout. Happens with most of them, all of them. All right, this one just took right off. But if you go back through, well, I'm not going to dig down through them, guys. You get the idea, okay? So I'd be watching for something similar to this. It had that break out, ran up 10%, and then it ended up pulling back almost 7%, okay? So you can see over here, probably pretty similar numbers. A run up of 14, almost 15%. And, if this thing pulls back down to here, that'd be a pullback of about 9%. Just looks like a wave 1, a wave 2 pullback, and then a wave 3 up. So I'd be looking for a little bit of a pullback here, quite honestly, and then a big push up, okay, for a wave 3. That's my personal opinion. That's what I would be watching for. I'll be watching for a pullback to the 12.3, possible to right down to 12 cents, and then a push from there. That would give this 8-hour and 4-hour time to reset. You need these to reset, and that would give us time for that. So thank you so much, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I love all you guys. I'll talk to you soon.